thing about spinning songs is the Atty song. I like it because you get to have new friends.
They say as you get older you get childlike, so therefore we got on very well with the children. I just love them, their wee faces are gorgeous.
Spinning Songs was devised a few years ago. It's an intergenerational project between nursery children, primary children and elderly adults. I'm one of the singers and practitioners on Spinning Songs, so with this project I do everything from singing to just performing for the adults and letting the children hear an opera singer, all the way through to devising the games with them, they do a ceilidh as part of the project, they rewrite lyrics, and I'm kind of part of every part of that. On this project you've got to do a little bit of everything, which is why it's so much fun, because no 2 weeks are the same.
To come together in this way is incredibly valuable. It's about feeling that you've got a place in society, in the community, that you're needed, that you're wanted, that you've still got something to contribute, that you can learn from people, but you can also share the things that you know. And that seems to be the single most kind of powerful message of the project.
I think for elderly people to mix with young children is a delight because they bring something. I hope we give them something as well, because they've got obviously grandmas or great-grandmas, so there is an affinity.
It's actually lovely just going somewhere, getting together and singing a song together, and it doesn't force anything. It's not about a performance, it's just about the journey, spending time together. And I think with the pace of life it's really crucial for the children to learn that, and I know that it means a massive amount to the adults in the project.